everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'll show you how to edit Instagram photos or videos after being posted. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to WebTech Tutorial yet, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To edit your Instagram post, tap open your Instagram application. Go to your profile icon located at the bottom right and tap on the picture that you want to edit. Click on the three dots located at the top right of your post, and after you do that, tap on Edit. Now you can go ahead and edit your caption. If you want to add a location, then simply tap on Add a Location and define the location by searching it and posting it. If you want to edit the text, simply tap on Edit Alt Text and type in the text you want to change. After it is done, tap on the tick mark located at the upper right. If you have mistakenly posted your picture without tagging your friends, then simply tap on your picture and type in who you want to tag. After you're done, simply tap on the tick mark located at the upper right and you will be able to edit the post which you accidentally or mistakenly posted on Instagram. Just like that, you can edit your post on Instagram even after it is done posting. I hope you found the video useful. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.